Pluto, despite being a distant and tiny world, has some intriguing and eerie aspects. Here are a few creepy facts about Pluto. The heart. One of the most prominent features of Pluto is a large heart-shaped region known as Tombaugh Regio. This feature appears to be covered in frozen nitrogen and methane, adding to its eerie appearance. The frozen landscape. Pluto's surface is covered in frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, giving it a desolate and otherworldly appearance. The combination of icy plains, moraines, and cliffs creates an alien-like landscape. Pluto is extremely cold, with surface temperatures averaging approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit 225 degrees Celsius. Pluto is also extremely dark. It has among of the harshest winters in our solar system and has a lengthy, dark, and icy summer. Pluto's hazy atmosphere, which is made up of a layer of fuzzy particles, gives the planet a spectral look. This atmospheric haze, which is made up of intricate hydrocarbon compounds and covers the surface, adds to the mystery surrounding the planet. Charon, Pluto's sizable moon, has some unsettling characteristics of its own. One of the most prominent features is the canyon Serenity Chasma, which extends over 1,600 kilometers and is many miles deep. It seems eerie and weird that such a great abyss exists. The unpredictable seasons. Due to Pluto's very eccentric orbit and tilt, its seasons are erratic and intense. The planet undergoes lengthy, brutal winters and short, scorching summers throughout the course of its 248-year orbit, resulting in an odd and unpleasant climatic cycle. Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet. In 2006, Pluto was controversially downgraded from planet status by the International Astronomical Union (IAU). This downgrading sparked discussions and left some individuals feeling uneasy about Pluto's place in our cosmic neighborhood. While these details may add to Pluto's unsettling and enigmatic aura, they also draw attention to the remarkable and distinctive qualities that make this dwarf planet an appealing object for scientific investigation. Certainly. Here are some further details on the eerie Pluto facts. The heart. Clyde Tombaugh, the astronomer who discovered Pluto in 1930, has his name attached to the heart-shaped area of Pluto known as Tombaugh Regio. Both scientists and general public were drawn in by this feature's unusual form. The spooky look of the heart contributes to Pluto's aura of mystery. The frozen landscape. The majority of Pluto's surface is made up of several ices, including those made of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Due to the very frigid temperatures on Pluto, these chemicals are present in solid form. With its broad plains, rough mountains, and snowy cliffs, the frozen terrain conjures up an otherworldly scene that seems foreboding and dismal. Pluto is around 3.7 billion miles (5.9 billion kilometers) from the Sun, which results in extremely low temperatures. Pluto is also quite dark. One of the coldest objects in our solar system, its average surface temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit 225 degrees Celsius makes it. Due to its distance from the Sun, Pluto faces prolonged periods of darkness in addition to the cold, which adds to the planet's gloomy atmosphere. The mysterious haze is a layer of complex hydrocarbon molecules that is present in Pluto's tenuous atmospheres. These substances take a hazy, smog-like appearance after forming high in the atmosphere. The haze distorts sunlight, giving Pluto's sky a blue appearance. The haze's ethereal texture lends Pluto a surreal, enigmatic feel. The Charon connection. Charon, a sizable moon of Pluto, is almost half the size of Pluto. Charon itself has intriguing and unsettling characteristics. A profound scar is left on Charon's surface by the huge canyon known as Serenity Chasma. The mystery surrounding Pluto's is heightened by the fact that its genesis is still not completely known. Pluto's very eccentric and inclined orbit causes its seasons to be incredibly unpredictable. Pluto receives a radically varying quantity of sunlight as it revolves around the Sun. This results in brief summers with small periods of sunshine in certain locations followed by long, cold, and gloomy winters lasting more than 100 Earth years. The disturbing character of Pluto's climate is a result of these dramatic seasonal fluctuations. Pluto was demoted from planet status in 2006 when the International Astronomical Union (IAU) changed the standards for determining what qualifies as a planet, redesignating Pluto as a dwarf planet. Some people who had grown up believing Pluto to be the 9th planet were disappointed by this choice, and it caused debate. A frightening legacy was left in the history of planetary research by Pluto's downgrading, which led to a feeling of discomfort and doubt. Together, these elements add to Pluto's eerie and enigmatic air, making it an alluring and fascinating subject of scientific investigation.